Nobody but Marnie's back. Make sure you leave a like on this video. Let's do it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Marnie. It is currently 11:50. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on. It is currently 11:53, and I decided to put down a whole bunch of video ideas in my phone, and I decided to make the first video today. The first video that I had written down was 4 underrated streetwear brands, bruh. 4 underrated streetwear brands of 2023, because 2023 is gonna be over, but it's still 2023. I could have did 2024, but I didn't want to do 2024, so we're gonna go ahead and stick with 2023. But without further ado, make sure y'all boys hit a like button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get to the first brand, bro. I'm not gonna redo this video. I'm very tired. I'm not gonna say I'm tired, but we gonna go ahead and get into the first brand. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so for the first brand, we are going to look into 74 is War. Now, the reason why I say like this is a really underrated brand, even though it has 31.5K, you don't really see people in 74. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even own 74, so that goes to show you that 74 is underrated, bro. Like I don't even own it, and if I don't own it, then you know it's underrated. But 74 is War. I mean, it's a pretty cool brand. I like the aesthetic of their brand. Their brand kind of reminds me of like some Chinese, Vietnamese like type brand, bro, like that type of streetwear on that side. But you know, it's not something that you see every day. I know you've seen this brand before. There's no way you haven't seen this brand before, even though it's underrated, because underrated doesn't mean that it's undersaturated. What? Anyways, like I was saying, bro, 74 is War. It's really just called 74, but their handle is 74. 74 USA is their handle if you want to go check it out. But 74 is War is probably like one of the top 10 best brands out right now. So make sure y'all boys go check out that brand right there, 74. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna leave like a video recording or something like that, showcasing what brand it is. But without further ado, you're probably gonna move on to the next brand. It's not really too much to talk about with this brand, but if you go on their Instagram, you can really see their aesthetic of their brand, you know, and the things that they have on here. Like, and I didn't even peep, they got a bag on here too, bro. Their bags are hard, bro. So yeah, make sure y'all boys go tap in with 74. No cap, 74 USA. But without further ado, let's go ahead and move on to the next brand. Alright, so for the next brand, we gonna go Billionaire Studios. I'm not gonna lie, Billionaire Studios is not like an underrated brand no more, but a lot of people really don't know where to get these shirts from. But a lot of people don't know where this shirt comes from. As you like, I don't know what I'm doing in my editing, but I'm gonna just show y'all right here. So like, as you can see, there's shirts like these. Dang, my exposure is crazy. But there's shirts like these on that you might see on like TikTok or like brand influencers like Quan and them, Quan B, you know, all those people, influencers, they wear this brand, which is called Billionaire Studios. And a lot of people don't know about Billionaire Studios, but a lot of people do at the same time. So if you don't and you're watching this video, now you just found out where to find that shirt, Billionaire Studios. But as you can see, like they have a lot of applique, like applique pieces, and that's kind of what blew them up, because their pieces were different, and it was a different type of embroidery. And for a minute, nobody knew what type of embroidery that was until, you know, a couple other people found out, and then it got leaked, you know what I'm saying? And that was no longer, you know, that no longer helped. Let me turn down my exposure, bro. I feel like my exposure is too high. Alright, so we are back. Now, like I was saying, this brand is really cool. You know, they take the time out. I'm pretty sure that they make their own art, but I feel like the brand is just unique in general, because I mean, it's not something that you see every day. And like this one right here, this one has a actual like doll on the front. Like it actually sticks out of the jacket. So, you know, it's not like, you know, you see this every day. You don't see this every day with people's brands. But if you want to go check them out, their Instagram handle is Billionaire Studios, and their website is bludosatire.art. Now, they did change their handle. It used to be Billionaire Studios. It's no longer Billionaire Studios no more. But if you want to go check that out, go ahead and click on that. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for all these brands. But without further ado, like I said to the last brand, let's move on to the next brand. Alright, so for the third brand, and we are coming up on the fourth brand very soon. I know that's so crazy. I only did four brands. But yeah, for the third brand, we are going to say Misunderstood. Now, this brand actually began to blow up on TikTok before it did Instagram, but the brand was actually pretty cool. As you can see, I don't know what I'm doing with my editing, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just show y'all some things from their brand just on the screen before I do my editing, so that way like y'all know, you know, this is real, bro. I had this all written down. But as you can see, they got some pieces like this. I really do rock with the jacket and this shirt right here. This shirt is really hard. But this is also another brand that I do not own, but I do see pretty frequently, and I just rock with it, so I put it in my video. And you probably seen this jacket before. I feel like yeah, that jacket is pretty tough. I might put, you know, this is some things that you might want to put on your Christmas list, because Christmas comes up in what, how many days? At the start of this video, today is December 26th. So Christmas comes up in 19 days, bro. Dang. I did not know Christmas was coming up in 19 days. But anyways, yeah, so Misunderstood really is a cool brand. You know, they got some really cool pieces, and they have good meaning. They have a good meaning to their brand, and I like how their, you know, logo fits with their meaning of their brand, bro. Well, the logo is like I'm gonna show y'all a picture of what their logo look like, but it's like stood under miss. You feel what I'm saying? Just so we can spell out misunderstood. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to bro. This brand is ran by I genuinely don't know who the brand is ran by, but I've seen him on TikTok. I'm gonna find out, and once I find out, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the description also. But if y'all wanna find out, or if y'all wanna go follow this store and cop some pieces from them, it's mxstud as their Instagram handle, and then mxstud.com/store for their website. So make sure y'all boys go check it out. Like I said, this is so supposedly they restocked this hoodie right here. So if you're not following them, that means you missed out on this hoodie right here. But yeah, so bro, just go ahead and lock in with them, bro. And then once you lock in, tell them that Marnie sent you, bro. Tell them that Marnie sent you, so Marnie can get a cut. You feel what I'm saying? Cause Marnie be putting people on, and people don't be coming back. So tell him when you go, tell them to do their homework on when Marnie put them onto the clothes and how many sales they got from Marnie's videos. On to the next brand. And last but not least, we are going to talk about Florida Boy KC's brand Pieces of Knowledge, aka POK, or you can say POK. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But most likely you know about this brand, but most likely you don't. It depends on how deep you are into the streetwear or how deep you are into the trends. But bro sells pretty cool pieces, bro. I feel like his pieces are different. As you can see, you have an influencer like Quan who wears POK. He's the one with the big P on the back, you know what I'm saying? So if you pushing P and you feel like you want to wear a brand that's pushing P, lock into the brand of Pieces of Knowledge, you feel what I'm saying? But I mean, I like the brand. If you go through, I mean, I'm pretty sure the meaning of the brand is pretty self-explanatory, you know, Pieces of Knowledge, let's just be honest. But he has a pretty cool aesthetic of his brand. As you can see, he has no cap in his brand. Like I just showed you, he had Quan in his brand. But yeah, this brand really went crazy around summertime when he dropped the at one point in time he did drop these, and I did see these too. These didn't blow him up though. These weren't what blew him up. It was these tees right here, bruh. These tees blew up on TikTok, bro, and that kind of sent him on his way. And y'all may feel like I'm wrong, you know what I mean? But I feel like genuinely these tees right here were kind of like what blew him up, because I seen these tees so many places, and I seen so many influencers with these tees. So Pieces of Knowledge, man, ran by Florida Boy KC. And like I said, man, if y'all go cop these pieces, man, tell these people who put y'all onto these brands, bro. Man, shut your... Do your homework on Marnie and how Marnie got where he got. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, bro, I mean, that's just 4 brands, bro. If y'all really enjoyed this video or just enjoy watching me in general, bro, make sure you leave a like and leave a comment. You know what I mean? Because, you know, we in this together, right? And Like, bro, this could be low-key vlogmas, you know what I mean? Like, you can send this out to your parents, and your parents gonna finally know where to cop your clothes from. Cause I know for times and times and times again that your parents have copped you some lame clothes and you have to hold it up and act like you like it, but you really don't like it. So send them this video and be like, Mom, you need to go ahead and watch Marni, because Marni is gonna put you on to the best brands or the underrated streetwear brands that I be looking at on TikTok and Instagram, and I wanna, you know what I'm saying? And most of these brands is most likely gonna ship out within 2 to 3 weeks. Some brands take over a month. And like, things about that, bro, like you really have to think about how many orders these brands are getting consistently, bro. So it may take some time to get your pieces. So if they order it right now, 9 times out of 10, they may get it around Christmas time, they may not. I don't know. Don't quote me, man. Go ask the person who created the brand. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, it's enough. It's time out to stop wearing denim tears, Supreme, man. All them brands, they're dead. There's no more of those, bro. It's time to start going underrated streetwear brands, bro. Find brands that don't have 1 million followers. Cause like, what? Like, bro, if you're still wearing denim tears, bro, like, what are you doing, bro? You know what I'm saying? Like, at first I thought denim tears was cool, but denim tears has become oversaturated by everybody. And people put on the jacket and the pants with some Air Force Ones and call it drip because it costs money. Nigga, that's not drip. You feel what I'm saying? Right before I ended this video. Yeah, so this is a comeback video. I do have a list of ideas in my phone. You know what I'm saying? It's written down. You know what I'm saying? I know you can't see it because why would I show you all my ideas? You just have to stay tuned and watch the video. But without further ado, it's been your boy Marni. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, and I'm gonna prepare to give y'all another video tomorrow. But I ain't gonna drop it tomorrow. I'm gonna just record it tomorrow. I might drop this video tomorrow, which tomorrow is today. Oh, tomorrow was yesterday. Wait, what?